Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen Android 9 Pie system special for Jeep Grand Cherokee 2014 to 2018 years. Okay, let me do unbox review. Let me open the box. You can check head units with good condition. Okay, you can check this is head unit. This special harness part. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. Okay, you can check this special harness for Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can check this special connector. This power cable. Okay, this is canvas box. You can check. The harness will come with harness is camera input. This is AUX input left and right. This audio, CD audio left and right. Okay. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel control, and this anti wire. Okay, this is harness. It will come with external microphone, small speaker, remote controller, GPS antenna, radio antenna, original USB, this camera input, this audio cable, this subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2. This is AUX output, left and right rail, front and rail. Okay. This is AUX input, left and right. This is video input. Okay. Let me show the head unit. Okay, you can check side and the back. There are two USB cable on back, and this external microphone. This long cable, USB, and the external microphone. This radio antenna, this connectors, this Wi-Fi, and this fuse, this power. Okay. Let me find something to fix. Okay, let me power 12 voltage. Connect the power cable on back of power port. Okay, you can check head unit start. Okay, let me adjust. Okay, you can check this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, you can check this taskbar. Adjust the brightness. Long press, you can set the leave wallpaper or wallpaper. You can choose other to change it. Change the black. Okay, you can check this date and time update by GPS and network like Wi-Fi. It touch screen panel. They are for air climate. It's SD card slots, it's built-in microphone, and reset hole. This radio, you can click the search button to search the radio stations. You can check fast response. It's without and built-in DSP amplifier. It's built-in easy connection for mirror link. It's built-in Google Maps and YouTube. You can watch YouTube. Download the application from Google Play Store. Okay, let me check the settings. About machine, you can check MCU volume, CPU memory size 4GB, RAM 4GB, CPU octa-core. Model is PX5 chip, rack chip, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64GB storage. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi, and let me check the car setting, personal setting, LED settings. You can change this button color with gray, blue, orange, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay, you can click OK. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.